How to log in another account in Instagram without password. In today's video, we'll be showing you how to log in another Instagram account without needing the password. Whether you've forgotten your password or want to quickly switch accounts, we've got you covered, so let's get started. First, open the Instagram app on your phone. Now, if you're logged into an account already, you'll need to log out to access the login page. Now that you're on the login screen, tap on the Forgot Password link. This will bring you options for resetting your password. Even though we're not going to reset the password, it allows you to log in with a different method. Simply type in your username and simply click on Next. Now make sure you have access to the email or phone number you're entering because Instagram will send the link there. Once you receive the email or SMS, open it up and tap on the login link. This will automatically log you into the account without needing the password. Once you tap the link, you'll be redirected back to the Instagram app and you'll be logged into the account right away. And that's it. You've successfully logged into another Instagram account without a password.